The hidden mysteries of the asteroid belt and our solar system. Let's go through the list. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, then we get to Jupiter. But wait, wasn't there supposed to be another planet between Mars and Jupiter? At the start of the 19th century, astronomers had no idea the asteroid belt existed. In 1801, an Italian scientist named Giuseppe Piazzi discovered Ceres, the largest known asteroid in our solar system. Many believed it was the missing planet expected to be in that region. However, just a year later, German astronomer Heinrich Olbers detected another celestial body in a similar orbit, Pallas. This discovery led Olbers to theorize that these objects were fragments of a much larger planet. As time passed, two more asteroids, Juno and Vesta, were identified. This strengthened the belief that a planet, later called Phaeton, had once existed before being destroyed. The theory, known as the disruption hypothesis, proposed that a massive collision had shattered the planet into countless pieces. One idea suggested that a hypothetical star, Nemesis, a faint red or brown dwarf, might have disrupted Phaeton's stability. Another possibility was that an internal catastrophe caused its destruction. A third argument claimed that the gravitational pull of Jupiter ripped it apart. However, modern astronomers have moved away from this theory. Instead, the accretion model is now widely accepted. It suggests that the asteroid belt was never part of a larger planet. Instead, it consists of primordial material that failed to merge into a planetary body due to Jupiter's powerful gravity. This prevented the smaller objects from coalescing, leaving behind the fragmented belt we see today. So, what exactly is this asteroid belt? Located between Mars and Jupiter, it contains numerous rocky bodies and even a few dwarf planets. Some of these objects occasionally escape their orbits, drifting into the outer reaches of the solar system. Among them, Ceres, Vesta, Pallas, and Hygeia are the four largest, accounting for nearly half the mass of the entire belt. Unlike in science fiction films, where spaceships weave through dense asteroid fields, the belt is mostly empty space. The asteroids are so widely separated that collisions are extremely rare. Yet, during the solar system's early days, many of these objects frequently collided. Jupiter's immense gravitational influence ensured that instead of forming planets, they shattered into smaller pieces. Over 99.99% of the asteroid belt's original mass was lost within the first 100 million years. Only the largest asteroids have sufficient gravity to form spherical shapes. Most are irregular, resembling piles of rubble barely held together. The tiniest fragments are nothing more than cosmic dust drifting in space. These asteroids are classified into different types based on their composition and reflectivity. Carbon-rich asteroids, which appear dark and make up around 75% of the belt. Silicate-based asteroids, often called stony asteroids, comprising 17%. Metallic asteroids, composed mainly of iron and nickel. The first spacecraft to navigate through the asteroid belt was Pioneer 10 in 1972. Many feared its instruments would be damaged by interstellar dust, but it passed through without issue. Since then, several missions have successfully crossed this region, debunking the myth of an impassable asteroid field. Fascinating facts about our solar system. Now, let's explore some mind-blowing facts about the solar system. Keep track of how many you already knew, and let us know in the comments. 1. Our solar system's age. Scientists estimate that our planetary neighborhood is about 4.5 billion years old, based on the analysis of ancient meteorites. 2. A universe of star systems. The Milky Way alone contains nearly 100 billion star systems, so imagine how vast the entire universe must be. 3. The Sun's dominance. A staggering 99.86% of the solar system's total mass is contained within the Sun, primarily made of hydrogen and helium. The remaining 0.14% includes all 8 planets, moons, and asteroids combined. 4. The reality of outer space. Contrary to the belief that space is an absolute vacuum, it actually contains cosmic dust, interstellar plasma, and radiation from distant galaxies. 5. Cold welding, space's natural bonding. In microgravity, two identical metal surfaces can fuse together permanently. On Earth, oxygen and moisture prevent this phenomenon, but in space, metal atoms bond as if they were a single piece. 6. Solar eclipses and the Moon's future. The Moon appears the same size as the Sun from Earth because it is 400 times smaller but also 400 times closer. However, in 600 million years, its shifting orbit will prevent total solar eclipses. 7. The Kuiper Belt's mystery. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast region of icy objects. Astronomers have noticed unusual movements in this area, suggesting the presence of an unseen giant planet. Planet 9. 8. Jupiter's mysterious ocean. Beneath its thick atmosphere, Jupiter holds the largest ocean in the solar system. But unlike Earth's water-filled seas, this one is made of metallic hydrogen and extends 25,000 miles deep, comparable to our planet's circumference. 9. Saturn's secret rings and Mars' future. While Saturn is famous for its stunning rings, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune have rings too, though they are faint and nearly invisible. Additionally, Saturn's moon Rhea may have a ring system, making it the first moon known to have rings. 10. Mars may gain rings of its own. The Martian moon Phobos is gradually spiraling toward the planet. In about 70 million years, Mars' gravity will likely tear it apart, forming a ring that could last for millions of years. 11. Methane on Mars, a mystery. Methane, a gas linked to volcanic activity and biological processes, fluctuates unpredictably in Mars' atmosphere. Scientists still don't know its exact origin. Could it indicate microbial life, or something else entirely?